So I'm gonna be honest, there's actually a lot of things that I don't like about this brand, Who Gives a Crap toilet paper. And so this is gonna be my review talking about this company, this brand, and what I think about this eco-friendly toilet paper company, Who Gives a Crap toilet paper. Let's talk about it. So you may be asking yourself, Sarah, what is Who Gives a Crap toilet paper and why are we even talking about it here today? Well, basically the company was founded originally back in 2012, or that's when they launched on Indiegogo, where they raised $50,000 to launch their company. And the whole ethos of the company is they're really focused on not only environmental initiatives and just being very eco-friendly, but they're also focused on helping the humans of the world who do not have access to good sanitation. So they donate 50% of their profits to help improve sanitation and build toilets for areas of the developing world. So I think that is a very cool initiative. Also, in general, I would say the company is very eco-friendly in terms of their packaging and their materials. So they have two different types of toilet paper that you can purchase. So the first type of toilet paper they have is their 100% recycled toilet paper. This is made of a whole bunch of different types of post-consumer material. They say it's made out of things like textbooks and things like that. And some of it is made from post-industrial waste as well. About 5% of it is made from that. And then they have 100% bamboo toilet paper. So those are kind of like your two different options. Both of these are supposed to be more kind of eco-friendly than just like your traditional run-of-the-mill toilet paper. So that's what you're working with. The pricing of both of these toilet papers is a little bit different. So they come in different size boxes, but for the larger box, which is what I got and has 48 rolls, the regular 100% recycled toilet paper is $62. And then the bamboo one is $68. So it ends up being like, I don't know, 10 or 13 cents more per roll for the bamboo one. I think it's $1.42 per roll versus $1.29. If I remember my mental math correctly, that's kind of the price difference. So this is a little bit more expensive, but they also do have a subscription program. So that gives you $10 off per box if you sign up for their subscription. I didn't do that because I didn't know kind of how I would like it when I first got it, but you can save a little bit of money that way. Probably one of my favorite things about Who Gives a Crap toilet paper is the packaging. So there is no plastic as far as I can tell in the packaging. Everything comes in these cardboard boxes. And then my absolute favorite part is just the individual wrapping on each roll. Packaging is slightly different depending on like the type that you get. So the 100% recycled toilet paper comes in this like colorful packaging, and then the bamboo comes in this like black, white, and gold color scheme. And they also have these cute little sayings and like little like funny things on the packaging. And what I think is funny is the ones at the bottom of the box, at least in the boxes I got, have these like emergency labels on it. And it's like, your TP stock is mighty low, friend. To avoid the danger zone, order more toilet paper right this instant. Trust us, we've seen the situation turn rotten real fast. Now, I did purchase all of this myself. I spent my own money on it. I'm not sponsored or affiliated or anything like that. I do have just a generic like referral discount code that anyone can get. That does give you $10 off. It does give me a $10 credit as well. So feel free to use that. It will be down in the description box. As far as my experience using this toilet paper, I'm gonna be honest, it's not my absolute favorite toilet paper. And I think if you are someone who's used to using like these super 5-ply fluffy Charmin or whatever, you are probably not going to like this because it just honestly does not measure up to those super fluffy, nice feeling toilet paper. So first, the 100% recycled one is like the worst one in my opinion. It's just like very kind of thin. It's just not that soft. Like it's fine, like, okay, but it's just not that nice. It's really just not. Then let's talk about the bamboo one. So the bamboo, I think the bamboo one is nicer. It does feel a little bit softer, but even this one is not like that nice. It's still a little bit just like thin. It's just not as plush as some of those other toilet papers out there. So if that is your expectation, then you may not want to buy this because it's not that soft. Another negative thing that I uncovered about this toilet paper that I'm not loving is the fact that there is a bit of a BPA risk with the regular 100% recycled toilet paper. So BPA is a toxic plastic chemical. Do your research on that. But in general, it's been shown to have kind of all kinds of negative health impacts. And with the 100% recycled toilet paper, basically what they say on their website is they do try to reduce the risk of BPA based on kind of where they are sourcing their materials from. But they do admit that there is no way really for them to be 100% certain that every single roll does not have BPA in it. And they said that they do like periodic testing and things like that, but they're not going to test every single sheet of toilet paper. And so it's really not possible for them to 100% guarantee there is not BPA in here, especially considering like how you use toilet paper and where it's going. Like, you don't really want like toxic plastic chemicals and stuff in that area in general. That makes me really kind of concerned about using the regular toilet paper. I mean, I will still use the box I have. I'm not like panicked about it, but I probably would not buy the regular toilet paper again from them just because of that risk. The 100% bamboo one though does not have BPA, at least like they're not sourcing this from like sources that likely would have BPA. So I do feel safer about the 100% bamboo one. It also feels a little bit softer. So definitely my preference would be the bamboo one over the 100% recycled one. I find that the toilet paper holes are like kind of inconsistent sizing. So this is the regular one, the 100% recycled one. It has like a bigger opening here versus the bamboo one is smaller. And I do have some problems getting the bamboo roll onto my toilet paper holder. I will show you. See, it like, you really have to kind of push it. Oh my God, you really have to push it to get it to fit. Okay, even still, I just did it and see the toilet roll like came off because it's just like smaller than a standard size of toilet paper for some reason. And that annoys me. So just for the sake of telling you everything that I have to say about this, like that's an annoyance. And so I end up just taking the roll, like the actual like cardboard part off, which I guess it's fine. It's fine. But just for the sake of transparency, that might be a problem for you. So that's it for the review. Hopefully you found this video helpful. Personally, I think I would potentially continue to use this company specifically for just their environmental and kind of like social responsibility initiatives, but I don't think I would buy the regular toilet paper again just because of that BPA risk and just like the softness factor. I just was not that impressed by this one. I think I could buy the bamboo one again, but again, it's not the softest, so I don't know if it's what I will be reaching for every time I buy toilet paper, but yeah, that's it. Let me know if you have any other questions, and until next time, bye.